Hi everyone, today we're going to be going over the Oso Easy Hot Paprika rose plant. If you're familiar with knockout roses, this is Proven Winner's line of those. They're very nice plants. Here to our left, we've got some in quart pots. This is what GrowJoy ships out to our customers. And then this guy right here is in a gallon pot. This is our retail area. This plant is 4 weeks ahead of this plant. So as you can see, they grow pretty quickly. And they'll have these nice electric orange blossoms here. They bloom all summer long. They start out when they're little, they're more of a pink shade. But then as they mature, you can see right here that they turn into a nice electric orange. Like I said, it's a continuous bloomer. So once they start going here in June, now we're actually into September, and they're still showing some nice color. When they mature, they'll be about 1 to 2 feet tall, and they'll be about 2 to 4 feet in spread. So they're not too big. They've got a nice compact mounding habit. They're perennials in zones 3 through 9, very hardy plants. So when they come back in the spring, you'll just prune them one time, and then you'll have some really nice blooms all summer. Let's get over here and look at this one. This was just starting to bloom this morning, and it's already spread out and just loving that sunshine. These are full sun plants, so you'll need about 6 hours of direct sunlight for these things to thrive. Like I said, they're continuous bloomers, so they'll look real nice. These are good for hedges, some mixed beds that you have. If you got a cottage,